Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen, we are gonna make some donuts. It's not your typical donut. It's something I learned how to cook when I was growing up. My mom made donuts out of biscuits, out of a canned biscuit, and they were so good. So I'm gonna show you this really quick and easy, delicious recipe for dessert. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Let's get to it. I've got a can of biscuits. Let me see, there are 10 biscuits in here. They don't have to be no fancy biscuits or anything. As you can see, I just got some of these. And then I have my oil to fry them in because I'm gonna fry them. And I have some chocolate frosting. You can use any frosting you want. Depends on what kind of frosting you like on your donut. If you want strawberry frosting, you can get canned strawberry. You can just get plain buttercream. Whatever kind of frosting you want on your donut, that's what you get. But today, we are using chocolate. I have some powdered sugar because we're gonna be putting that on our donuts. And then I've got two serves. I've got a chocolate and a strawberry. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, like I said, I have my oil already heating. I'm going to open my biscuits and then I'm going to go ahead and fry them. I have a plate lined with paper towel to put them on after they fry. Okay, so here's my biscuits, and what I'm gonna do is take my biscuit and poke a hole in the middle and just let it, I want it to be round. They don't have to have holes in the middle. These are very small biscuits. So I'm gonna cook some that are just plain like this, and then I'm gonna have a couple of them with a hole in the middle just for a little variety. That's all. There's 10 of these. I have my thermometer in here. I want to make sure this gets close to 400 before I put them in here. Let me see. I'm gonna do 3 of them with a hole in them. The rest of them I'm just gonna do without. It's easier to spread the frosting on the ones that don't have the holes in them. Let's see, we're getting there. Gotta have you a spoon like this to get the biscuits out. And let's see, are we there? Not there, give me a minute. All right, our temperature is at 400. So we're gonna take this out and go ahead and just drop our biscuits in the oil. Slowly, and they pop right up. After you put them in there, pop right back up. We're gonna let them fry on each side until they turn a little brown, and then we're gonna flip them over. You see, this one's already turning brown. It doesn't take long to cook them at all. So this one is already ready to turn. Look at that, golden brown. There's another one ready. There they are, look at that. Look how easy that is. So I'm gonna put those on my paper towel. Try and drain the grease. You want to be golden brown, but you do want them to be done on the inside. You don't want any raw biscuits. So we've got 5 more. Let's go ahead and slowly place those in. And you want to try and do them individually so that they don't stick together as well. Those nice golden brown donuts. This is very inexpensive And this is very easy. So when you said, I don't know what to do for dessert, oh my goodness, try it. Try it. What are they? They cook less than 30 seconds on each side. Look at that. Let me see. Just want to make sure they're done. I'm going to go ahead and take these out, let them cool off a little bit, because if I put the frosting on them while it's hot, it's just going to melt the frosting. So I'm going to let these cool off, and then we're going to go ahead and frost them. So while I'm waiting for those to cool, I'm going to go ahead and put the powdered sugar on these. You know me, I got to do some one way, some another way. So what I'm going to do is take a strainer and just dust them with some powdered sugar. I'm gonna flip them and dust both sides. And flip them back and dust them one more time. And voila, we have powdered sugar donuts. Look at that. Now, if you want to add more to it, which is why I have the syrups, I'm going to add a little syrup. Well, you know what? I'm going to do strawberry because we're already going to have chocolate. The strawberry syrup is a little on the runny side, so you got to be careful when you do that, okay? So I'm just gonna put just a little. I'm not gonna squeeze it, I'm just gonna let it come on out. And what I'm gonna do, dip it right back in the powdered sugar. It's gonna remind you of a jelly donut, although that's not what it is, but it's going to remind you of it. I'm going to leave that like that. Okay. Still letting these cool off. Now we are going to frost the other ones. Just stir it up a little bit since it's been sitting in a can. And you just frost it like you would a cake. That's it. Ta-da! It's a donut. It's a chocolate donut. I'm just going in circles with it. I mean, there's nothing fancy about it. These are small. You can get larger biscuits if you want. Circles, that's all. It's just frosting on the top. That's all. So I am back and I have my donuts. I want to taste this one first. Look at that. Inside, it's just like a cake donut, you know? Strawberry is good. Let's taste one of the chocolate ones. Look at these. Look at these. Oh, look at that. Yeah, y'all hear that music? Might as well taste the powdered sugar one. All good. Now, you know, on top of those chocolate ones, you can add a little powdered sugar on top of those if you want. Look at that. See? See? These are good. So, that was my quick and easy biscuit donut recipe. It's so easy and it's so good. I mean, you can do this with your kids. This would be fun to have with your kids. Or is it just something when you in a hurry and don't have a dessert to make? Fry you up some biscuits and put some frosting on it. Guess what? If you have not subscribed to my channel, that's what I need you to do. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.